Hello, in this Biology Time video, explore the significance of trees in a city. Trees play a vital role in the urban ecosystem, offering environmental benefits. Absorbing CO2 and releasing oxygen improves air quality in cities. They contribute to combating climate change, promoting planetary balance. Tree shade reduces local temperatures, combating urban heat islands. They promote biodiversity, essential for the coexistence of different species. Tree roots help anchor the soil, preventing erosion. Trees act as natural filters, enhancing water quality. Direct impacts on health, associated with improvements in mental and physical well-being. Forested environments reduce stress and promote overall wellness. Trees act as natural sound barriers, absorbing urban noise. Economically, urban green spaces boost local commerce and the economy. Forested parks become community centers, not just recreational areas. Property appreciation in wooded areas reflects environmental and social benefits. Forested environments offer valuable opportunities for environmental education. Investing in wooded areas is a stance of environmental responsibility. It contributes to a more sustainable and resilient future for future generations. Trees play an extremely important role for the environment and society. Concluding another important topic, and inviting you to the next video. Subscribe, like or dislike, and share for more fascinating information on Biology Time.